I've managed to acquire certain skills and competencies and mind hacks. Being part of this workshop, this training, this course has been quite an eye-opener in terms of strategic leadership, and I've managed to acquire certain skills and competencies and mind hacks that I was not aware of before the course. I can use these in my day-to-day job with my team, and I think I can elevate my performance as a manager and as a leader. The course offered the opportunity for many of us to have open discussions and conversations, and because it was multicultural, we've had the chance to see things from different perspectives. And that did allow me to have many of those aha moments where I've managed to learn from others also. If I had to describe my LBTC journey with one word, it would be exceptional. The service, the consultant, the team, the people, the participants in the course, and the material and content itself. Out of 5, I would rate LBTC, I would give it a 5. And that's because it is a 5.